Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to configure the quick response or the canned response, which is kind of a pre-filled or pre-filled text data which agent can just click and send to the customer, right? So for that what we have to do is we will go, or before that, let's do the formality of subscribing to the channel, give a like, share, subscribe, and all this thing. 92% who are viewing the channel are not subscribing to the channel. Okay, so going back to our Amazon Connect, right? So over here under the agent application, you can see something called quick responses, right? Which we can configure. And by default, you get the greeting and closer. Okay. They are in inactive state. What you have to do is mark them active, and you have to configure which profile they will be seeing this one, right? So over here what we have done is for the basic routing profile, this is the message that they will be seeing: thank you for contacting us, blah 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 blah. And if you want to create your own, just click over here and give it like a test, and test checking, something like that. Description don't have to provide. You want to provide a shortcut key, that is fine. If you don't want to do, or if you want to give to all, you can do that one also, right? So all the calls which belongs to this all routing profiles, this can response or the quick response will be available, right? So what I will do is click a save, and click on agent workspace, and we will just do a test out of this one, right? Note that this quick response or the canned response that we say, right, will be available to agent only when they receive the call. That is one. Second, we have to go to security profile if your agent is not able to see that one. So under the security profile, we created this agent, right? User under this security profile, and in that there is agent application, and you have to make sure that they have access to view, edit, create. Only at least view access will be present over there so that they can see it. Now quickly we will go to test chat, right? Over here we will be initiate the chat, and over here we are available. Okay, and I will say what is that, flight info, right? That will trigger the call to basic routing profile or basic queue. And over here we receive the call. Now you must be wondering where to see the chat, right? That quick response. So if you click over here, if you see that this new icon has appeared, right? So if you click over here, you will see all the three quick responses that you have, right? So I can do this one and click on that and send. And if I go back to my customer side over here, and over here, blah blah, something customer has typed, right? What I can do is I can select again, click on that, and this one will appear over there. And similarly the last one that we have, right, that I can say like, thank you for contacting, blah blah blah. So this is how we can trigger or set up the or configure the quick response or the can response from the agent side, right? And which will help to reduce the time, or the agent does not have to time or waste time to type all those things. Those are the quick responses that you can set in Amazon Connect workspace. Thank you. Have a nice day.